Hi friends, today there was this important question asked in our community that what if the portion size is a bit lower. So I think one customer explained very well that sometimes they cook for 2 people and let's say the recipe is for 4 people. They just reduce all the portions by half, all the ingredients simply reduced by half. But what may happen is that for some of the steps, especially which involve dry cooking, the timing which is required may be lesser. So here I want to show you that how you can control the timing from your machine and also from your mobile. So let us choose a recipe. Let's say we go into cloud recipes and we want to make some curry. Let's take something vegetarian. Let's say chole masala. Okay. Now here it says that the recipe is for 4 portions, but I want to cook today only for 2 portions, right? So wherever it says add 700 milliliter water, 300 gram chana. So instead of 300 gram, I will add only 150 grams, right? So that's easy. And then we take the steps. Okay, let it boil. It boils for a long time because chana takes a long time to boil and to become soft. So let it boil. There is no problem with this. Now we go to a step which requires dry heating. Okay, so now we are here on this step number 12, which requires dry heating of masala, garlic and all these things for 6 minutes. Now I know intuitively, we know when we cook even a little bit, that if the portion is lower, I need lesser time. So what I can do is I can go here. Now the standard time is 6 minutes. What I'll do is I will reduce it to 4 minutes. So I go here and I have reduced it to 4 minutes. So yeah, so you see my time has gotten reduced. I can even reduce it further. What I can also do, I can also control it from my mobile app. So I just simply go there and let's say I want to reduce the time only to 1 minute. Okay, and I see here on the machine also my timing has reduced. Let's say I want to increase my speed क्योंकि मुझे डर है कहीं मसाला लग ना जाए. So I can also increase the speed from my mobile. Okay, so the speed has increased. I can also decrease the speed. So you can hear the speed has decreased. If I want to increase the timing, I want to add 2 minutes, I can also again do it from my mobile itself. It again becomes 2 minutes. On the machine also it has become 2 minutes. So I can control the timing, and what we would recommend is that in case you are cooking lesser quantity, for dry heating, dry masala, just reduce the timing a little bit. If it is 6 minutes, reduce it to 4 minutes. If it is 3 minutes, reduce it to 2 minutes and so on. Don't halve it, but reduce it slightly and it will take care of the problem. Also, once you have cooked 2 or 3 times in Chef Magic, you will understand yourself. You can always stand on the bowl and see what is happening inside. Is your masala done or not? If you follow the same portion size, recipes are almost perfect. We will always keep improving them a little bit with all your feedback. If you are changing the portion size, just reduce the timing when it is dry heating.